Okay, here she is. This is a Paragon. I've had one of these before. I've done a playfield swap in one about a year and a half ago. This one was just on trade because the Stellar Wars that I had, one of my friends, he wanted my first Stellar Wars that I had like over a year ago. Then I got one back and he was kind of waiting for me to sell that one. That one didn't come up. But then I got a hold of a third one, and the third one was just kind of a clean it up. I knew a bunch of people liked mine, so it was just kind of a, I know I could help some people out, just kind of make, whatever. So it just needed cleaned up. So he traded me this Paragon. The main reason I took the Paragon is because it's more widely known. So I'm not worried about, selling it or anything like that, because a lot, like pretty much everybody knows Paragon. Stellar Wars is kind of a, never heard of that one before. So, so I'm not really concerned about it. This one, I've already been working on it a little bit. All the LEDs work. I fixed one of the pop bumper caps, was a little bit messed up. A couple of the switches I've cleaned, made sure that they work fine. It's not a computer issue. I went ahead and I did just swap out all the displays with the set that I had from a different game. They're just scrolling like crazy on my phone, but those are just factory displays that were good. I think those are actually out of my Stern Galaxy. It might be those, because I did 7-digit LED displays in that game. So overall, game's in pretty good shape. I hate to be the person to point it out, but the worst spots are going to be, about right here. This whole section has like a couple pieces of Mylar over it. So like I can't get in there to fix that or anything. So it's pretty much going to stay like that, unfortunately. And I'm not going to peel up the Mylar. Somebody else can do that. So besides that, yeah, there's a little bit of wear up here. I mean, pretty much minor. I think this was going to be the worst spot, and that's why they put pieces of Mylar to kind of cover this whole area. But I'll swap out that bulb. Flippers definitely need rebuilt. Not a big deal. I'll do that. I might already have all the stuff. I gotta check. Cabinet is in good shape. This is speckle stuff. I'll give it a good wipe down, just make sure any dirt are over there. But I would say no damage that I've seen. It's actually, a lot of times I end up repainting most of the heads or the trim, but this does have that factory speckle splatter, whatever. So I mean, that's about the only spot I've seen right there. So that's all good. I'll give it a good scrub. I mean, it's got some dirty fingerprints and stuff. I'll try to get those off. The back glass. Back glass is actually really good shape. I would say I've really only seen that spot right there. Up in the top, kind of hard to see. That's really the only thing wrong with that. So, like I said, I'll just get a good cleaning. Rubber, at this point, like I said, I've already been adjusting switches and cleaning the switches. Flippers will get rebuilt. Displays are already fixed. Ignore the red bolts. I just grabbed some crap ones to just throw it up on feet here while it's in the spare garage. So yeah, no damage, no real gouges or anything. Everything's in great shape. Like I would say the worst flaw about it's just that somebody put pieces of Mylar all over this. So not bad. So I mean, if anybody on my page wants this, it will be for sale pretty quick. Like I said, I may already have, realistically, if I had the rebuild parts, I could have this done in a couple hours. Just do the rubbers, rebuild the flippers, it's good to go. So, but might need to order some parts. I don't know. I gotta check my spare parts bin. I tend to buy extra of everything. So there you go. I've already played a game on it. Plays fine. I wonder if I can take that off, but no big deal. I do have a lock bar for it. It's just over there in my pile of stuff. This is a storage garage, so stuff everywhere. But there you go. This is the next one that will be available shortly.